All right, good morning, good morning. This is Paul McMillan II, and welcome to another New York binary live session. This is our first binary session. It's September 9th, 2021. So what we're going to do is we're going to check the news. We can see that at around 7:45 p.m., the euro dollar and the euro dollar is going to be under major news, and it's starting at 8:30. The US dollar is going to be under major news as well. Then at 12 o'clock, Canadian dollar is going to be under major news. So JPY pair is pretty good, and the Australian dollar pair is pretty good as well. So probably the only currencies I would even think about trading is probably either gold or JPY, something like that nature. So I'm going to go on ahead to pocket options. We want to see what's going on. So when we look at gold, looks like gold is kind of tricking up a little bit. Mustard has crossed over ketchup, the EMA line, so that probably might be a sign of a good sell. Let's see, RJPY. RJPY looks like that's really pushing up. That might be a good one. Let's see, gold. Gold might be on its way. Maybe. JPY. Possibly. Gold is really shooting up. So I'm going to mark up this chart. Maybe we can get something on gold. Now, what I want to do is I want to basically mark up this chart, kind of look at the overall trend. I can see a double bottom here, so that's a sign of an uptrend. So if I use horizontal line, draw market structure, we can see price respect to this resistance here, so we can kind of see that. Draw the rectangle. Draw a zone that basically go with this. That's all the way up to here. And then, of course, I would actually draw another zone here. So price is really tricking up, and mustard is crossing over water and ketchup. That's a lot. So with that being said, price is really pushing up. So then at this point, if I did a price channel, I'm going to look for a break and retest. So if I did a price channel, see a clear break and retest here. So it's really pushing up. So then, that's the case, I see that price is clearly trending up. So then I will wait for the next push back up. Maybe hit the buy. We'll go ahead and put in a buy sell, see if we can get something out of this. It'll take 2 minutes for this. So we'll pause this recording and see if we profit. Stay tuned. As we can see, price is really shooting up. So we got 10 seconds left. Let's see if we end up profiting. Price is really shooting up. So we'd have made about $260. Congratulations, $260 added. So we were at, I think, 62.40. So let me calculate that real quick here. So let me pull out the calculator. 62.40. Probably less than that. At about maybe 61.40, something like that. Something along that nature, maybe 60.40. Yep, that's where I was at. So about 7,300. That's what it looks like. So I just made $1,260. So when we're trading binary sessions, I love binary sessions next to regular Forex because basically you're making money in minutes. Now, think about it is, just because you're making money in minutes doesn't mean it's easy. You still need to know when the right time to hit the market. Now, one of the strategies that I got from this guy on YouTube is that he uses EMAs to determine good sniper entries. And I love that strategy because that's something that I already do when I'm marking regular Forex. I use an indicator called the 4XLG EMA setup. Basically, I use the same color EMAs. So basically, and I'm going to actually show you guys how my strategy that I'm already doing is very similar to what I'm already doing on TradingView. Let me pause this recording for a minute. Okay, so now I'm on TradingView. So the strategy that the guy was explaining on YouTube that he used for binary options is very similar to what I do. That's why it kind of resonated with me. So when I'm trading regular Forex and going on TradingView, I use a 4XLG EMA setup. This is where I have, EMAs, about like 6 different EMAs, well, about 5. So when I get a good sniper entry is when, for example, mustard, which is yellow, crosses over ketchup, which is red, and it also crosses over water here. So that's like the best sniper entry. And as you can see, this would have been a very, very good bearish entry here. Well, when I go back to pocket options, I pretty much do the same thing. So you notice here that I got in on this buy and price just shot up like crazy. So that's how I made over $1,200. So I set it up. I set my indicators up to where I have the RSI, which is what I'm using on TradingView. And then I also set it up to where I have 3 different moving averages that looks like the 4XLG indicator. So price crossed over ketchup down here, but then it crossed over water. Okay, and you notice that, right? And that's what made price go all the way up. And so now my strategy is to scalp, just like I scalp on TradingView when these EMAs cross over, because this is the best sniper entries. You see here, mustard already crossed over ketchup, and then it crossed over water, and that's what made price really, really go down, right? Same thing right here. All 3 EMAs crossed and price instantly went down. So then I do the 2-hour time frame. I mean, a 2-minute time frame. That's what I do. I scalp the 2-minute time frame to be done. Because binary options is a little bit different and a little bit easier to scalp than it is on regular Forex. So that's how I do that. So that's pretty much it here. So I made my money for the day, but I am going to practice more. But if I was doing live, then I probably would, definitely would have made my money for the day. I'm done. But there was something else I wanted to go over. But yeah, see, and you can see here, price is going up even more. So if you understand the trend, understand break and retests, then you're going to understand the market more. But see, price is probably going to go up a little bit more, and then it's probably going to go back down again. So then if I was to scalp this again, I would wait for mustard to cross over, catch up, and then water, and then jump in. That's how I'm going to do my trading in binary options. So we made our money for the day. We made it right here. Profit, you can see here, profit, $1,260. So we did good. So we make a couple of changes here. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. That way I'll be able to mark up my stuff. That way, if I want to mark up, down here, put the buttons up here. Maybe I can do my mark structure down here. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So we made money. This is how you make money this is how you make money in Forex in minutes, literally. All right. See you in the next binary live session. Take care. Bye.